Hello everyone, my name is Mohit, and just to give some introduction, I have cleared the NDA written exam 3 times. I have also cleared the CDS and Afcat exams more than 7 times. So you can see that it's been a very long time of me being in the field of these competitive exams. And now, after I have given you my introduction, now the credibility is being built, and now you will listen to my advice really. So, the first question that comes to our mind is self preparation or coaching. I would say that, I'm not against self preparation, but you have very limited attempts to your goal. So, if you want to get there, get there fast. I'm telling this because of my experience, my previous experiences. So, ultimately what matters is your result. No one is going to ask you, how many coachings you have been to, how many persons, from how many persons you are getting guidance, you got guidance. No one will ask you that. What will matter is your result finally. So I'll say the ones who are thinking of preparing for these exams, please go to a coaching and please find a mentor. Now, the second thing which comes is, when we talk about these defense exam, especially the NDA and CDS and AFCAT, maths is very crucial part of these exams. In NDA, you have a separate paper of maths that you have to compulsorily clear. And in CDS, if you want to go to IMA, there is a separate paper for it, and you have to clear it. So, maths is very crucial part of these exams. Now, talking about me, I got the privilege of being taught by Shekhar sir for mathematics for the NDA and CDS and AFCAT, all of them. So, when I remember those days when the NDA classes, they were very joyful classes. There was a lot of fun happening there, along with proper serious studies. So, so the next thing is what happens is, when a person aspirant comes to a coaching or to a mentor, what happens is he gets overwhelmed with the knowledge that is available on the internet and his surroundings. That is the second, very big problem. The aspirants gets, attracted towards different kinds of things on YouTube or on their surroundings. Someone told them, okay, study this, study that, it's important, that's important. They keep on wandering, and that's a very big mistake that they make. I remember when we were in class, Shekhar sir told us, I will only teach what comes in the exam. I'll not even answer your question if it is not relevant to the exam. So that was a great thing, being stuck to your examination point of view, and not, you have to trust the process, you have to trust the mentor that you chose. And from my experience, I can see that, when I trusted it, then yeah, I cleared so many exams. I've cleared exams that are apart from defense as well. So, and that knowledge was same, the base was same. So it's really good, yeah, to see the results. So my second point was, you have to believe on your source and just get stuck to it. Don't move here and there, don't wander from your goals. Now the thing is, from my experience, if I tell you, if you go to Shekhar sir and just do what he says for your mathematics, then I think you will clear all exams. But if you do what he says, and that's a really good thing. If I tell you some other of my experiences with him, it's like, there are so many subjects: geography, history, polity, English, and we were having classes for all of them in the coaching center. So what happens is, we were never been excited for any other subject classes. You know, maths is a subject that I liked from the starting, and there were many friends of mine that didn't like maths in the coaching center. So maths was the only class to which all of us were, being very, very interestingly excited for it. We were eagerly waiting, when the class would start and sir would come. So even though the person didn't like mathematics, they were just very excited for it. So that's how he is. His energy is always 100%. And the engagement ratio of students in his class is really 100%. So it's a very good thing, yeah. And if you want to clear these exams and you think that mathematics, you have to improve your maths, then you should close your eyes and come to him. I can't say of other things, but maths is like, and his personality is like really good.